What's up, YouTube? How's everyone doing today? Hope everyone had a great weekend. It is Monday, October 18th, 2021. I'm your host, Ty, and this is Smarter Gambling. What's up, Team Crawford? What's up, Low Roller? Appreciate you guys for being here, as always. Ocugen, more like redemption, lol. Yeah, not a great day for Ocugen today. But we'll get to that. We'll talk about that third today. Oh, and by the way, sorry about not posting the video on Friday's video, guys. Got a little caught up this weekend. It was my friend's birthday, went back to the casino, and fortunately this time I did win a little bit at poker. So a lot better than last week, but yeah, glad to be back, glad to be trading. And it was a pretty good start for the week for me. But we'll get to that in a second. You heard Upshot YouTube channel come back on Friday, but the same day Upshot YouTube channel got banned. Dogecoin Army report his channel. Wow, that really sucks. I mean, we still don't know if it was a scam all along or just things went bad. But didn't he? His channel was still active. He just quit YouTube, right? So now he came back, and then his channel's like permanently banned now. Wow, that really sucks. Well, I mean, it kind of seems like an actual scam. I mean, we'll never know, right? But I don't feel too bad. But if in fact it was not a scam, I would kind of feel bad. But I kind of feel like it's a scam. Anyway. I'm Diamond Hands on PROG. Yeah, Low Roller. That was a good idea. Diamond Handsing PROG. Because it went down a lot, then came right back up. And we'll talk about that one fourth today. That was a major runner. Same here. Entry 238 on PROG Diamond Balls. 238. What's it at now? $3. $3. I mean, coming back in the aftermarket. But yeah, $3. So that would be approximately... what, like 20% for you, Team Crawford? Very nice. Congratulations, man. Second entry was on them was first 171 to 225. So did you sell, Team Crawford, or are you still Diamond Hands? Well, you said Diamond Balls, so I'm assuming you're still holding everything. So congrats to you so far. Very happy. Some fat tendies there. And we'll get to... just hit the sell button eventually. But we'll get to that today during the analysis. I got PROG for 138. Yeah, dude. So over 100%, man. Congratulations, Low Roller. Very, very nice. Congratulations to both of you. And I think there was a few more people in the community that went long on PROG. So congratulations to everybody. Alright, guys, so as always, got a great show for you guys. As always, we'll be doing our daily stock and crypto review. And we have one piece of news today about the Bitcoin ETF coming out very soon. And today for the analysis, we'll be doing SHIB, Shiba Inu, AMC, Ocugen, OCGN, Progenity, PROG, and SOFI. And as always, we'll get to our Yolos. Alright. And as always, before we get started, please like the video. Please subscribe. And catch me every weekday after market close on the Smarter Gambling Show. Alright, guys. Let's do it. And boom. Will do, my man. Got a gut feeling. $4 is their near future in Progenity. Could be, could be. We'll take a look at the graph. I mean, we can look at it real quick right now. But we'll get to this a little later again. Yeah, there's a cup and handle here at 4. So I would definitely sell at 4 for sure. But that looks to be like top of the cup here. So good plan, Team Crawford. All right. So, as always, we'll start off with my plays today. So, Ion Geophysical Corp. This one was a major runner in the pre-market, and I shorted at... there were no shares, but IBKR did manage to get me some shares. I got a half fill on this. So, yeah, IO, I was in at around 190 this morning. This went pretty bad. I mean, not too bad, but it definitely went the wrong way today. I think at one point it got up to like 230 or something like that. It started going real bad. Finishes at 218, so it's pulling back right now in the aftermarket. But yeah, I'm currently down like 16% on that one, I believe. No, yes, 16%, my bad, 16%. And I only got half filled there. So that was actually a good thing I only got half filled. So later tonight or tomorrow morning, I'm probably going to add on to that. And hopefully it comes back down tomorrow, because I'm underwater quite a bit right now. Not too bad, couple $100. Good thing it was a half fill. Then NXTD. What's good, Marvin? Appreciate you for being here. Right on time, because NXTD, I remember Marvin did mention this one last week, saying they were going to reverse split, and I was like, I'm all over that, dude. So they did reverse split today, and NXTD, I didn't get in at the very top because there were no shares, because the top was like 370. Forgot what I got in at. Let's check, actually. 360. Okay, so I almost got the top, actually. Top was 370. I'm in at 360, so very good price. And right now I'm up about 15% on that one. Little less, actually. Little less than 15%. I'm still holding. Probably gonna cover after the show. But yeah, this was an easy free tendies right here. Any word of advice, guys, and this is not financial advice. Anytime something reverse splits, you should probably just short it down. It's usually easy money. I learned that a couple of months ago. And every time there's a reverse split, I just short it down now. It should be an easy, like 10% at least. So, yeah, made 15% on this one. Going to cover soon. Then we have VLAN. Valneva. It's a biotech stock. I tried shorting this morning, but there were no shares. And I did manage to get in close to like an hour ago, about around like 3 o'clock, maybe like 2:30 or something. I did manage to get in at 38 here, so I'm actually a little underwater. It started going up towards the end of the day. I don't know why, but yeah, I'm still currently short this, a little bit in the red here, but still holding. AVTE, Aerovate Therapeutics. This one halted midday. And I was in at 18 and covered at 17. So made 5% there, around there. So pretty nice gain. Then Oyster Point Pharma. This one I shorted pre-market at in the 14 no, not 14 something. In the 15 somethings. And I covered at 14.50. So I made 5% there. Now it's down to the 13s here. So really I should have held for longer. I covered way too early. But hey, I did make 5%, not complaining. But I definitely could have made a lot more there. And then finally, EVOL, Evolving Systems. This one was running in the pre-market. There were no shares, and I came in at the end of the day here at 280. Still holding, probably going to cover tomorrow, but this is down to 272 in the post-market here, so very nice. So overall, pretty good day. Made some decent tendies here. Not anything crazy, but hey, just another day at the office. Green day here, made a couple $100, more than a couple $100. So, hey, can't complain. Very happy, very happy. So I did pretty good today. So, yeah, that's what I did today, and hope you guys, printed tendies as well. This was a pretty good day, especially for the NASDAQ. But anyway, guys, so let's move on to our watch list now. Oh, percent change. All right, and let's run down the watch list today. Oh, got to do the indexes first. All right, so the Dow Jones finishes down 0.1%. The NASDAQ finishes up 1.02%. Huge day for the NASDAQ. Great day for tech. And the S&P 500 finishes up 0.34%. So overall, pretty good day. A lot more green than red here. We went with the stock exchange because the Dow Jones is in the red, but overall this is mostly green. So very nice. And yeah, let's run down the list here. So Progenity, PROG, this was a major runner today, up 40%. We'll get to this later today, 4th on our list. But yeah, 40% today, major runner. Congratulations to everyone in Progenity. I know a lot of apes in this community currently in that stock, so congrats to everyone. Then we got SOFI, which we'll cover 5th today. That's up 7.59%. And still running a little bit in the aftermarket here. Major runner, so we'll get to that one. Then we got Riot up 7%. Very nice. Fubo up 6.78%. Roku 6.19%. AMC 5.62%. And we'll talk about AMC second today. Marathon 5.24%. So it looks like crypto exposure stocks and memes are doing pretty well today. Yeah, Bed Bath & Beyond 5.22%. Neo 5.04%. Looks like EVs are doing well today also. Not just Chinese EVs, all EVs. SOS, which is a low-key meme stock, 4.74%. Coinbase 4.54%. Baidu, car company, 4.53%. AMD 3.84%. Huge day for AMD. Twitter 3.3%, Moderna 3.28%, Facebook 3.26%, Target 3.23%, Tesla 3.21%. Tesla, there's a lot of apes on Tesla right now, especially on Wall Street bets. I do believe we have a few YOLOs about Tesla later on. But Tesla is, the apes are all over this one right now. Anything else here? Nothing too crazy. GME is up 1.47%. CEI up 1.46%. But other than that, I don't think there's too much going on here. Nope, let's check out the red now. So yeah, really not too much in the red here. Got DATS, Dat Chat, down 10.63%. This was one of the Zach Morris pumps, I believe. And I think I shorted at one point. And I actually sold for a loss. So, damn, that sucks. Anyway, that's down 10.63%. Zillow, the hell happened to Zillow? That's down 9.45%. Orphazyme down 5.41%. Ocugen down 4.62%. We'll get to Ocugen first today. Or was it first? No. Third. My bad. Third. Shiba Inu was first. Ocugen third today. Disney down 3%. Nasty. ANY, another Zach Morris pump, down 3%. Uber down 2.67%. MMAT down 2.61%. BlackBerry 2.32%. Looks like airlines and cruises down. Travel is down. But other than that, really not too bad at all. Tilray down 1.66%. I believe we have a Tilray YOLO later. GREE down 1.48%. Virgin Galactic 1.45%. Yeah, not too bad. Robinhood 0.93%. So overall, you know, a really good day for the stock market. A lot of price action on the green side. And, you know, on the red side, it's really not too bad at all. So, honestly, it would be kind of hard to lose money today in the stock market. So, yeah, I made money. Hope you guys made money as well. Hope you guys printed some fat tendies. Okay. Is the video working? I just want to make sure because no one's chatting, and usually when no one's chatting, sometimes it's because the video is down. But I just checked YouTube; it looks like it's all good, so we'll just continue. All right, so yeah, that was the stock market today. Let's move on to let's first take a look at some aftermarket action. And then we'll move on to the crypto market. So let's refresh here. Looks like we are getting some action here. DRMA up 30% or 28%. So let's look at DRMA. Yeah, this is mooning right now. Why? All right, there's PR. That's why. And it's kind of going timber right now, so I kind of think I should take the kind of think I should short right now, to be honest, guys. So let's go live rainbow bearing. 570. Sure, I will take 570. If it stops going down, please. Come on, ding. All right, I'm in for 570. At 570. Kind of want 580, but 570 will do. I'm in at 570. Let's go, guys. And it's gonna go to 580 right now. How much you want to bet? And I'm gonna set the the buy order for 480 here. 480. I mean, I guess I could do this a little later after the show, but just in case, just in case. All right, so yeah, I'm in at 570, and as of right now, it keeps going down, so it looks like I got a pretty good price here, guys. So we'll continue to keep an eye on this one throughout the show. But as of right now, it looks like a good bet here. Very nice, very nice. Happy with that entry. Okay. So let's move on to some crypto now. PROG is on its way back up to top 5 gainer. Just needs to jump past 308. Why? Is 308 like some resistance or something? I mean, I have, here I have like 320-ish as, some resistance here. What's up with 308, Team Crawford? Are you seeing some resistance that, I don't see here? Let me know, man. And, yeah, good luck. Thanks. Thanks, dude. All right, let's move on to, crypto now. 1 second, guys. Boom. All right, so crypto is up 1.54% today. Looking at 308 because of the high they hit today. Okay, so in a way that is resistance, yeah. I'd probably say 320 is well, that's what I have in my graph, but yeah, you know, and if it breaks $3 tomorrow, it's gonna run to the upside. So yeah, good luck to everyone there. All right, let's take a look here. So we got Moon Rabbit. I don't know what Moon Rabbit is. Probably just the poop coin. That's up 585% today. And a bit up. Is that like a ripoff of Upbit? The hell is Bit Up? Anyway, that's up 376%. Then we have SHIB X. That one is still going up another 27% today. And then we have Baby Floki, up 309% today. So these Floki coins are still pretty popular. So, yeah. Some poop coins mooning today. But anyway, let's look at the market cap coins here. The top 100. So we got Bitcoin up 3.17%, pushing 62K. Very nice. I believe last week we talked about Bitcoin, and I said I don't think it's going past 64. Or I said 64,000 was some major resistance. So we'll have to keep an eye on this one. Hopefully it breaks 64,000, but it does look like 64,000 is some major resistance. But hey, Bitcoin is still mooning. Very nice. Ether up 1.57%. That's pushing 38K. Not 38K, 3,800, my bad. Binance up 4.73%, pushing 500 again. Cardano up 0.56%. XRP up 3.67%. Solana up 0.84%. Polkadot 1.88%. Dogecoin. Wow, Dogecoin doing real good. 9.6% today. Crazy. Litecoin 3.42%. Bitcoin Cash 1.85%. Damn, Shiba Inu 19.51%. It was not this high before, so it's going up, you know, like live right here. Crazy. We'll talk about Shiba Inu first today, very shortly. Crazy. Anything else important here? Let's sort this. So yeah, biggest gainer is Stacks. No, biggest gainer is Shiba Inu, actually. 19%. Then it's Stacks, 17.61%. And then Dogecoin, Kusama, Binance, and a bunch of others. So, looks like most of these coins... Actually, no. Looks like half of the coins are in the green. And there wasn't, like, too much price action. Let's take a look at the red here. So nothing too bad on the red side. The worst thing is DYDX down 5.23%. Everything else is less than 5% down. So actually, it's a pretty even split between green and red. But there was more price action on the green side and not too much price action on the red side. So, yeah, overall, you know, pretty decent day for crypto. I don't think anyone's complaining. You know, not the most price action, but some solid gains today. So congrats to everyone in crypto today. Okay, so that is a good transition to our article right here. Give me 1 second. Let me pull up our article for today. I guess SHIB is the SHIB. Is the SHIB. Nice pun there, man. Marvin with the jokes. Alright, 1 second, guys. So DRMA is like slowly going down. I'm up $60 on it. Never mind. Now I'm up $20, $30. Pretty volatile trading right now, but hey, at least it's not going up past 570. Nope, never mind. As soon as I say that, it goes past 570. Now I'm down $30. Never fails, huh? Clown on me. Watch, it's gonna blow right past 570 now. Look, watch. It's gonna go past 6 now. I know it. It's gonna go past 6 now. Hopefully not. Anyway, I think 570 is a pretty decent price. I'm pretty happy with this price. Until it goes to $6. Watch. I'm telling you. Oh, okay. 566. Whatever. Let's get back to the show, guys. That Lil Evil Dog is making good profits with the right in and outs. I mean, that's pretty much all poop coins, but like, or meme coins, I guess you can consider. They're not like straight up poop coins because they do have value. They are legit, but so I'm not gonna call them poop coins, but meme coins. It's pretty much all the meme coins, yeah. I mean, even if you diamond hands, it'll probably be a good investment. Unfortunately, too late for me to get in now, unless it pulls back. But the next one, SHIB Inu, I'm gonna try to catch that one. All right, so let's read here. And this article today is about the new Bitcoin ETF coming out. So, pretty cool stuff. Let's get into this right here. So let's read. First Bitcoin futures exchange traded fund starts trading Tuesday. What to know before adding it to your portfolio? Key points. The first U.S. Bitcoin futures exchange traded funds launches on Tuesday, a milestone for the cryptocurrency industry. The ProShares ETF will provide exposure to Bitcoin future contracts, agreements to buy or sell the asset later for an agreed-upon price rather than Bitcoin itself. While there's strong demand for the new asset, financial advisors urge caution before adding Bitcoin futures ETFs to portfolios. Okay, so we kind of talked about this last week. I think it did get approved last week, so here's just an update / reminder, I guess. Bitcoin ETFs getting added tomorrow. So that is very good for crypto overall. Honestly, I'd personally just go for Bitcoin itself rather than a Bitcoin ETF. But I guess it's less risky. Not as volatile as straight up Bitcoin. But personally, I'd still go for Bitcoin itself rather than the ETF. But this should make Bitcoin and all other cryptos go up. And here's our first siren, guys. 30 minutes in. Gonna talk over it. My apologies. That's pretty good. 30 minutes in, one siren. What was I saying? So yeah, this ETF this is beneficial for crypto and Bitcoin. There's really no downside to this. And, hopefully tomorrow we see a continuation. Crypto and Bitcoin going up again tomorrow due to people buying into this ETF. I would predict that at least. Watch. Everyone's going to buy in and then Bitcoin's going to... So yeah, just an update here on the ProShares Bitcoin ETF. Drops tomorrow. Very exciting stuff. Got some breaking news from CNBC. SEC says brokers enticed by payment for order flow are making trading into a game to lure investors. Yeah, and making the hedge funds richer. You trick the public. We're democratizing. This is specifically Robinhood, but... I mean, not specifically Robinhood, but mostly I'm talking about Robinhood here. we're going to democratize investing. Everyone can do it. It's free now. And then little do you know, they're selling your order flow, your information to the hedge funds, and it's the same thing. They're still taking your money, just in a different way now. And people just don't realize this. Robinhood is not your friend. But for sure, it is. What's the word? Gamification. Gamification is the word for sure. The markets are more gamified now, thanks to Robinhood. Pretty funny. I remember, a little bit irrelevant, but I remember Robinhood got in trouble because for gamification, whenever you bought a stock, it would go yay, and then ribbons and stuff would shoot out balloons, and they got in trouble for that. And instead of the ribbons and balloons now it's diamonds and a moon. I'm not kidding. So they got in trouble, and they didn't really change it much. In fact, it's kind of worse now. Would you rather have balloons and ribbons or diamonds and a moon? Anyway, not much different. So getting a little off topic here. I'm just going into a rant, but yeah, Robinhood's not your friend. And yeah, the market is more like a casino nowadays with this gamification. Good and bad. Now the market makers can pump and dump biddy on demand now. Yep, exactly. Exactly. More institutional money coming in. But I do think it's going to dump at 64K anyway. But yeah, for sure. Good point, Marvin. The institutions do have even more control over crypto now. So it's good and bad with, everything, pretty much. All right. So that is our article. That's all the news. That's all the news for today. So let's get right into the analysis now. 1 second, guys. Gotta pull it up. We're doing Shiba Inu first, so I gotta pull it up on TradingView. So give me 1 second. Alright. Signed me out for some reason, so, oh, there it goes. Okay, chart. Chart. Buy call options to pump it and put option and puts to dump it. Yeah, and retail's left holding the bag, as they always are. All right. I guess actually I should draw a new. Should draw another resistance right here. Cool. Okay, let's do it, guys. Okay, here is Shiba. Excuse me. Start over. Okay, here is SHIB Shiba Inu. This is currently at 402891 dollars, and that is up 4.22% today. I thought it was 20%. Anyway, Probably was, but, you know, the time changed. Whatever. Okay, so yet again, we're talking about this coin. For the past 2 weeks, more than 2 weeks, I guess. The past couple of weeks, this has been on a major tear. This has been trending pretty high up on StockTwits every single day. And yet again, for the start of the week, this is a very strong day for Shiba Inu. This coin is legit, guys. Before, I didn't know if I should trust it or not. Before, I didn't know if I should trust it or not. If this was a pump and dump, or this was legit like Dogecoin now. Now I'm convinced this is legit. So, yeah, this is holding up really well. So this has been pretty sideways for the past, like, 2 weeks here. And really no justification for this price action. So I'm just going to assume just a bunch of ape stuff going on. Apes piling in, trying to catch the next meme, trying to become a meme millionaire. So let's jump right in and analyze here. So the previous shows, I've been saying that this looked like a cup and handle. And I did predict this to pull back to 4015. It did not pull back that far, but it did pull back to like 402. And now it looks like a handle is forming. So that would currently be a bullish indicator, because this is at the end of the cup and handle, where there's usually breakout after the handle forms. So that is currently a bullish indicator. Okay. So right now this is sitting on the support of $4.2905. So if this goes to the upside, next levels of resistance would be $4.3044, $4.3464, $4.3811, $4.4116, and then the high $4.5009. Damn honking. And then the high of $4.5009. Now, if this goes to the downside, next levels of support would be $4.2765, $4.236, $4.233, excuse me, $4.2232, $4.1954, $4.18, $4.1652, $4.1571, $4.14, $4.1223, $4.1072, and let's zoom in here. Okay. $50,982. $50,904. $50,904. $50,804. $50,8. $50,747. $50,711. $50,661. $50,611. And then the low of $50,554. Whoops. So right now at this current price, $40,29. The channels to the upside and the downside are very wide, so expect a significant amount of price action either way this goes. This should not be a surprise, guys. This is a meme coin, very volatile. However, if/when this breaks $50,991 to the downside, the channel starts to narrow, so expect a significant decrease in price action if/when this breaks $50,991. The RSI is currently at 70, so just barely in overbought and overvalued territory. So be careful, guys. And this did 37 trillion in volume today. Very significant volume. So this pump today was confirmed by the volume. Okay. If SHIB goes on Robinhood, I think they will run up real nice. Yeah, for sure. I mean, it's going to happen eventually. That's what happened with Coinbase. And not financial advice, guys. One good strategy is to buy up coins before they hit Coinbase or Robinhood. And, usually when they hit the major markets, they do spike up. Yeah, I see a lot of YouTubers making SHIB videos now. Even YouTubers I've never seen do crypto videos before, and you can tell because they call SHIB a stock instead of a coin. Well, I mean, a lot of YouTubers are making videos because that's the hot thing right now. For the past, 2-3 weeks, it's been number one on StockTwits. So, yeah, a lot of fake YouTubers coming out of the woodworks, trying to get their views, trying to get their sub count up. Can't really blame them, but, there wasn't with me shooting in the gym, right? You wasn't with me shooting in the gym. Yeah, they're all fakes. SHIB just needs to consolidate it for a good month, then run. Yeah, it's kind of looking like it's what it's doing now. It's consolidating right here. So, it does look like it's going to run to the upside, in the relative short term. So, looking bullish. Okay. So, really not much has changed for the past 2 weeks. We've been covering this stock. So, I'm going to stick with what I've been saying all along. And that is, this does look bullish in the short and long term. We do have some bearish indicators here, being the high RSI and volume. But this chart does look very strong right here. Like I said earlier, we have the complete cup here, and it looks like the handle is forming here, and it looks like we're at the end stage of this handle being complete. And after the handle completes, usually the stock breaks up to the upside. So this chart looks like Shiba Inu wants to break out to the upside. So that may happen relatively soon. Either that or this cup didn't even complete yet. It did appear like the cup topped out. At around $4.3473. But in fact, maybe the top is $4.3809 or $4.5009, the all-time high. So whether this is a complete cup and handle that's looking to break out soon, or a non-complete cup, those are both bullish indicators. So the chart does look really bullish, but the RSI does suggest that this is overbought and overvalued at the moment here. Here's a siren. Oh look, DRMA, I'm up $200 now. It's down to $550. Let's go. I'm just talking while the siren passes, guys. But yeah, already up $200 on that. Let's go. Everything else in the aftermarket here, not really moving. That's alright, that's alright. What's up, Monir? Thanks for coming. Thanks for being at the show today. Appreciate you, man, as always. And for everyone who came in late, could you please hit the like button? I would appreciate that. Thank you very much. Okay. So, not financial advice, guys, but this does appear like it is going to break out in the relative short term. So, if you want to go long, not financial advice, at this current price, $4.029, it's not exactly the best entry. But, like I said, this should keep running to the upside. It's looking like it's going to break out pretty soon. So, I would support going long, even though I'm really not loving this entry. However, just be aware, the RSI is high, so that is suggesting that this is overbought and overvalued, so this may go to the downside in the short term. But I definitely do think it's more likely that this goes, but I definitely think this is way more likely this keeps running to the upside than this pulling back to the downside. But I have to mention that, high RSI, so there is still risk involved. So just be aware of that, guys. I would say going long right here is a medium risk, high reward play. I definitely think it's worth a shot here. I definitely think it's worth putting your money up here. Not financial advice. Now, if you want to go short, not financial advice. Again, this chart looks really, really bullish. And I do think it's going to run to the upside in the short and long term. So I really don't think going short is the greatest idea here. I mean, it may temporarily pull back. So maybe there's some money to be made. But I just think it's way too risky. This has very strong momentum behind it. The apes are in here. They love this coin. And yeah, if you went short here, there's a really good chance this is going to keep pumping. And you're going to get squeezed out. So, not too smart. I would not do that. And I would not recommend that. Going short here would probably be a high risk, low reward play. Doesn't make too much sense. So, again, personally, I wouldn't do that, and I would not recommend that. So, congratulations to everyone who made money in this coin today and the past few weeks. Very nice. Consider taking profits if you're up, but this still appears like it's going to keep running. And good luck to everyone currently in this coin and to everyone looking to take a position. This is SHIB Shiba Inu. All right. Oh, Monir, are you in the Discord? Don't know if you are, but if you're not, you could join the Discord. We're all there, and anytime you want to chat, you know, you're welcome to join us. We talk about our plays in the morning during the regular market. So if you want, the link is in the description, dude. All right. Let's refresh. Why does it say DRMA is up to 580 here when really it's down to 545? Got an error in the charts here. That's all right. Hey, I'm not complaining. Down to 540 now. Look at that. So already went down 30 cents since I bought in. I'm up I'm up 260, 265 right here. 275, 300. Look at that. 235 right now. Already up 300 bucks. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. And NXTD pulling back in the aftermarket here. Not bad, not bad. Cool. All right, next one. AMC. AMC. Look at this. I got a great price here. 570. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. I mean, 580 probably would have been better, but yeah, I caught this real good here at 570. Nice, nice. All right, AMC. Okay, here is AMC. This finishes at $43.03 today. That is up 5.62%. So recently, the past few weeks, AMC hasn't been as popular as it usually is because it's kind of been in the shadows since some other popular meme stocks have been trending. Like CEI, BBIG, can't even remember, PROG, and a few others. But it does appear like momentum is picking up again as of late. We are now on a 4-day winning streak. Very nice. The momentum is picking up again. The apes are piling in. The apes are piling in again. And it does appear like AMC may potentially have another breakout very soon. So this was number 2 on StockTwits today after Shiba Inu. Very nice day. So we'll cover this again. So there wasn't any news or anything to justify this price action today. So as usual, just a bunch of ape action. Apes piling in, momentum strong, squeezing the shorts out. So let's jump right in and analyze here. So first of all, this looks like a potential cup and handle. Top of the cup being around 51. And it looks like the bottom would be around 35. So that would currently be a bullish indicator because that is telling us this stock may come back up to 51 to complete the top of this cup here. And in addition to that, we have this big bull flag here. Or or symmetrical triangle or pennant, whatever you want to call it. But yeah, huge bull flag here. This has been consolidating ever since the squeezed back in May and June. So this does appear like it's consolidating between 45 and 35 right now. So I kind of expect this to consolidate around $40 for a little bit until this breaks out again. But anyway, yeah, big bull flag here. That is also currently a bullish indicator. All right. So right now this is trading between the sideways channel, the rectangle of 44.65 and $42. So if this goes to the upside, next levels of resistance would be 44.65, 47.85, 51.25, 55.20, 58.20, 62.30, damn honking, 62.30, 64.90, 68.50, and then the all-time high 72.62. All right, and if this goes to the downside, next levels of support would be 42, 40.15, 37.55, 34.75, 31.90, 28.90, 26.10, 20.30, 17.30, 16.55, and then 14.10. And there is support below 14.10, but we're not going to discuss that right now. It shouldn't be too relevant. So right now with this current price, $43, the channels to the upside and the downside are very wide. This should be no surprise. Oh, let's rewind. So expect a significant amount of price action either way this goes. This should not be a surprise. This is AMC, a huge meme stock, very volatile. The RSI is currently at 60, so a little above average there, but nothing to be too concerned about. And this did 50 million in volume today, which is actually less than average of 79 million. So that's a little bit suspicious. That kind of makes me think this pump today was not justified and that it was a fluke. So pretty odd. That is interesting. Okay. So nothing has really changed since the last time we covered AMC, so I'm going to stick to what I've been saying all along. And that is, this currently looks very, very bullish. Like I said earlier, we have the possible cup and handle, and this huge bull flag, strong momentum on social media, really no bearish indicators, and we have neutral indicators in the RSI and volume. So overall, this chart looks very strong right now. So I do think in the short term, this is either going to pull back to 40 and consolidate for a little bit before it breaks out again, or this can just straight up break 45 and run to the upside if it breaks out of this bull flag, this symmetrical triangle pennant here. Either way, that's bullish. So therefore, if you want to go long, not financial advice, 43 is a decent entry, although you may be able to get this for a little cheaper. But I would have no problem with you guys buying in at 43, and if this continues and if this pulls back, then you can just average down at the supports that I mentioned before. There doesn't appear to be too much downside potential here. So going long would be I'm not going to say low risk, but medium risk, high reward play. I definitely think it's worth it to take a shot here. Now, if you want to go short, not financial advice, I don't think that's a good idea. For all the reasons I said to go long. Very bullish looking chart. Possible cup and handle, bull flag, no bearish indicators. I really don't see a reason why you would go short here. That would be asking for trouble. Not too much downside potential, a lot of upside potential. Strong social media sentiment. Going short here would be a high risk, low reward play. Doesn't make too much sense. So I wouldn't do that, and I would not recommend that. So congratulations to everyone who made money in this stock today and in the past week. And good luck to everyone currently in this stock and to everyone looking to take a position. This is AMC. The chart looks good. It does look really good. It does look really, really good. Like, I forgot who it was, but someone in the Discord, someone new. Not really sure who it is on YouTube, but someone on the Discord was talking. I think it was Ray, actually. Talking about how good AMC looks right now, and he's gonna buy all the dips. And I can't even lie. Like, I really don't even like AMC. I never did. I still think it's pretty dumb. Although I do respect the AMC apes. Gotta hand it to them. But yeah, I can't even lie. This chart is very, very bullish looking right now. So, yeah, good luck to everyone. It's probably going to pull back to 40 and then break out again. But yeah, good luck to everyone. Okay. Next one is Ocugen, I believe. Yes. So let's refresh the action here before we do that. ETTX. Let's take a look at that one. That's up 30%. ETTX. What is going on here? Look at that. Well, looks like I missed my entry. Damn, I missed my entry. Should have been in at $4. Damn it. All right, I'm gonna come back for $4 here. I'm gonna set the sell order for 4. Hopefully this comes back to 4, but I'm not gonna count on it. But it does appear like, I mean, 380 is not bad either, but I'll set it to 4. I missed it. I'm kind of upset about that. Should have been in at $4. Well, gotta try. Let's go to 4. Alright, sell order is in at $4. So I don't know if it's coming back there, but I sure hope so. That'd be very nice. It's at 380. Not looking too good. Please come back to 4. It's going the wrong way. Anyway. So let's move on here. I really want this to come back to 4. $320 is the gap. Nah, I'll leave it. I'll leave it at 4. Don't want to get too crazy here. Alright, next one, Ocugen. A bear can hope. Yeah, this is my fault. I should have caught this sooner. Damn. Damn, I really want this at 4. I don't think it's coming back. It's at 375. Fuck. Should I take it at 380? Oh, man. Man, why didn't I get this at 4? I'm just gonna hold. I'm just gonna hold off. If it doesn't happen, it doesn't happen. Maybe I'll go back at the end of the market here, and the post market, and I'll take whatever. But 380 is not even a bad price, but 4 is a really, really good price, and it kind of looks like it's cup and handling. So I'll just leave this for now. All right, next one. What are we doing? Ocugen, right? Could be worth a shot. What, 380 or 4? I think 380 is too low. It's too low. Because the gap is at 320, so technically I still could make, still could make 20% from that, but oh, look, it's back to 384. All right, maybe it's coming back to 4. Maybe. Yeah, we'll just wait on this one. I sure hope it's coming back to 4. 380 could be worth a shot. Yeah, but it looks like it's pushing up right now. $383. Kind of looks like it's bouncing here, so cross fingers. 4, please. That'd be very nice. All right. Back to Ocugen. Okay, here is OCGN Ocugen. This finishes at $8.26 today. That is down 4.62%. ETXX up to 388. Let's go. 12 cents. Come on. So we've been covering this stock the past few shows. This has been very popular on StockTwits because of the WHO decision on whether they're going to approve Covaxin, the vaccine, for emergency use authorization. So it appeared like there was a lot of buying going into potentially WHO decision day in anticipation for that catalyst. And unfortunately, And we did have some news on this today. Unfortunately, the date got moved back to October 26th. So that would be Tuesday of next week. So this delay was not received well by the apes. So it looks like a lot of people either took profits, or was panic selling today and on Friday. So disappointing news coming out, but the momentum is still strong. The apes still really like this stock. This was still trending top 10 on StockTwits today. So we're going to cover it again. So let's go ahead and analyze this here. All right. So first of all, we have a gap up at 775. So that would be a bearish indicator, because that is telling us this stock is likely going to come back to 775 to fill this gap here. And honestly, it's probably going to happen in the short term. We also have this potential cup and handle. Now, this could be bullish or bearish depending on where you think the top is. So if you think the top was $10, then this would currently be a bearish indicator, because that would mean that the top of the cup filled here and it's now pulling back to form the handle. But the top could also be at 16. So if you think the top is 16, that would currently be a bullish indicator, because that means this stock can still run up to 16 to fill the top of the cup there. And let's see. And it appears like the bottom of the cup is $6. So just some quick math. If 10 was in fact the top of the cup here, then this should pull back to around $8, because 8 is between 6 and 10, the top and the bottom of the cup. So if the top was in fact $10, this should pull back to around $8 to complete the handle here, which it pretty much did today. The low was around $8. So if this is in fact a cup and handle, then in the short term this should start to consolidate, and eventually it will break out again if the top was 10. So that would currently be a neutral to bullish indicator. Apes together strong. We are not going down without a fight. Ocugen lol.
Apes together strong.
Yeah, good luck to you apes. Rooting for you guys. Alright, where are we? Okay. So right now this is sitting on the support of 826, which it finished at today. So if this goes to the upside, next levels of resistance would be 860, 890, 930, 965, 995, 1025, 1085, 1135, 1205, 1255, 1290, 1355, 1585, and then the high of 1877. And if this goes to the downside, next levels of support. All right. Would be 775, 735, $7, 670, 635, 605, and then 530. And there is support below 530, but we're not going to discuss that right now. Should not be too relevant. Okay. So right now, at this current price, 826, the channels to the upside and the downside are decently sized, so expect a good amount of price action either way this goes. However, if/when this breaks 1355 to the upside, the channels start to open up and get really wide, so expect a significant increase in price action if/when this breaks 1355. The RSI is currently at 54, so that's pretty average there. So according to the RSI, this current price, 826, is around fair market value. And this did 23 million in volume today, which is actually below the average of 40 million. So that's a little bit suspicious, pretty odd. Makes me think this sell-off today was a fluke and that it's not confirmed by the volume. Okay, so here's another stock that excuse me. So here's another stock that hasn't really changed much. Hasn't really changed much since the last time we covered this. I do think this will pull back to 775 to fill this gap here. To fill this gap up. Great, here's a siren. Laugh my ass off. Good one, my man. Needed a good laugh. Oh, glad you find it entertaining, dude. We all know my stays on Ocugen, so nothing to be said here. Yeah, I mean, myself included, I'm not the biggest believer in this stock, but I'm trying to be objective here. It does look kind of bullish in the short term. Okay, so let's do that again. So I do expect this to come back down to 775 in the short term to fill this gap up. But I really don't expect this to go that much lower than that. In fact, I don't think we should pay too much attention to the technical analysis here because this stock is more momentum driven than chart driven. And right now the momentum is really strong with this catalyst upcoming. So in the short term, I do expect this to pull back to 775, and then I would expect this to run up for the next week in anticipation for the WHO decision day, and then either right before decision day or right after decision day, I expect this to sell off pretty hard. Sorry to all you bulls, I know that's not what you want to hear, but I do expect this to be a sell the news event. Even if Covaxin gets approved, I expect this to sell off. Sell the news event. And if it gets denied, I expect this to really sell off. So again, for the next week, this may pull back a little bit more, but I do expect this to run up until decision day, and then I expect a sell-off. So therefore, if you want to go long, not financial advice, that'd be pretty risky right now, but that would be a high-risk, high-reward play. So I guess 826 is a decent price. You could enter here, and if it pulls back to 775 or lower, then you can average down. But I do expect this to keep running to the upside in the next week. So I do support going long here, even though I'm not the biggest fan of the play. You should be able to make some money going long here. So honestly, I don't really like it, but it should work, so I would support that. Now, if you want to go short, not financial advice, I would not do that. I would not recommend that at this current price. I don't think there's too much downside potential right now. I don't think it's going to go much lower than 775. But I will say, if the price runs up in the next week, I do think it's a good short play. I do think it's a good play to short this either right before or right after decision day, like I said before. So I do support going short, just not at this current price. Wait another week, approximately. You should be able to get a much better price, a much better entry, and you should be able to make some fat tendies. Because I do expect this to sell the news. So, sorry to everyone who lost money in this one today. And good luck to everyone currently in this stock and to everyone looking to take a position. This is OCGN Ocugen. Yeah, Team Crawford. I don't know, man. I do think it's, like I said, I do think it's going to run up, but I would look to sell pretty soon, dude. Like, within the next few days. Just my opinion, not financial advice. Who knows? Maybe this can't keep running, but I really do expect an epic sell the news event here. I don't know, man. I've just seen this over and over and over again with many meme stocks. So I expect history to repeat itself. Always awesome show. I appreciate that, dude. Yeah, Mondays are kind of slow. Not so many people in here today, but glad you guys are here. You guys are always loyal. And, today's show is much better than last week's show. Oh, I don't think you were even here last week, Team Crawford, for Friday's show. I don't remember you being there, at least. Pretty rare. Usually here, so I was kind of surprised you weren't here. But yeah, Friday wasn't the best show. Wasn't the most energy. There was a lot of sirens and stuff. I was getting pretty pissed off. So yeah, today, much better show. And glad you guys are enjoying. Ocugen is all momentum. That's pretty much all meme stocks, not just Ocugen. But yeah, for sure. All momentum. All right, next one, PROG. And let's refresh first, actually. Oh, this is running in the aftermarket. 307. Damn. So congrats, Team Crawford and Low Roller, if you're still here. It's pushing that 308 mark, you said, Team Crawford. So Looking good. Look at. Oh, damn, it hit 320. I didn't even see that. It hit 319. It's actually pulling back right now. Holy crap. All momentum, and don't forget heart. Yeah, just don't get stuck. Don't get stuck holding the bag. Don't have that much heart. Have enough heart until you hit the sell button. Then no more heart. Everyone else, all the other hips can have as much heart as they want. You get out of there. All right, let's refresh here before we go into PROG. ETTX is at 386 now. DRMA's at 520, so I'm up almost $500 here, just like that. In what? Holy crap! All right, so I made that play at 420. Lol, 420. It's 530 now. So yeah, in 1 hour and 10 minutes, I'm up 10% here. $480. Let's go. Very nice, very, very nice. ETTX is cable. Interesting. ETTX. I don't know if it's coming back to 4. I'm thinking I should just take it here. I don't know. It did hit 394. I wish I could put a stop here, but you can't use stops in aftermarket. That's sick. Ugh. Ugh. Man. Man, what should I do here? I'm thinking I should just take this. I don't know. The 22% really isn't even that good. Ugh. Set alert. I don't know what I should do here. This is a pretty decent price, but like it ain't that good. Huh. It does look like it's still running. All right, I'm just gonna leave this still, but I'm gonna keep an uh-oh. Now it's coming down. Ah, fuck. Oops. I just cussed. I'm gonna go for it, guys. I'm taking 380. I'm taking 380. I can't do it. Um, 1340? Sure. All right, let's go. So I submitted the order. I don't know why it didn't hit yet, but the order's in here. Okay. Give me my shares. All right, so like I legit put in the order at 380. It was at 382, and now it went. All right, there it goes. Ding, ding, ding. All right, cool. I'm in at 380, guys. Now it's going to 4. You already know. He sold? Pump it. Hey, actually looked like it's selling off here. Look at that, 375. I'm already up $85. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah. Look at that, 372. Already up $100. Look, uh-oh. Never mind, look at that. Now I'm down. No, it's back to 380. I'm going to stop looking at this, guys. We'll just let it ride. Alright, well, I was up $100. Now I'm not. Now I'm pretty break even. So, anyway, I'm gonna stop looking at this. I shouldn't be looking at this anymore. But yeah, I'm gonna set the cover order here, though. I'm gonna set it to 340. 340. And boom. Cool. And yeah, DRMA is down to 518, and I need that to go down to 480. But I'm up really big on that one right now. Pretty happy with that. And you know, I'm pretty happy with this ETTX entry here. I wish I could have gotten 4, but oh well. And EVOL is down to 270, so I'm up $170 there. I'm gonna cover NXTD at 310 here. Sorry guys, just doing some live Rainbow Baron. Don't mind me. And buy. Cool. All right, let's continue. What were we doing? PROG, right? PROG. Okay, here is PROG Progenity. This finishes at $2.99 today. That is up 39.72%. So here's yet again another meme stock that we've been covering the past couple of weeks. This came out of nowhere at the low of 66 cents, and this went over $3 today. So it's been an insane run, and it appears like it's not over just yet. So really strong momentum on this stock right now. The apes are in here. Trending top 10 on StockTwits. And this may still be squeezing. So there really wasn't any news to justify this price action today. Although last week, H.C. Wainwright, the hedge fund, did upgrade the price target to $4. So that is bullish news. Although I'm not sure how much I would trust H.C. Wainwright. They have a very shady reputation. For all you know, they could be trying to pump this stock up. Then they're going to rug pull it on you. Just speculation, guys. I do not like that hedge fund. Just putting it out there. Anyway. But other than the price upgrade, this is really just momentum driven and a whole bunch of ape action. Apes piling in, shorts getting squeezed out. So, not much else to say. Let's jump right in and analyze here. So, first of all, we have a gap up at 108. So, that is currently a bearish indicator. That is telling us this stock may come back down to 108 to fill that gap. We also have a possible cup and handle here. we have a few possible tops. Could be $4. It could be $5. It could be 730. Or it could be 950. Oops. Or it could be 950. But the important thing is that all of those tops are above the current price. So those are all bullish indicators right now, because that is saying this stock could run back up to one of those tops to fill it. So right now, this is trading between the sideways channel, the rectangle of 320 and 290. So if this goes to the upside, next levels of resistance would be 320, 340, 360, 380, 395, 425, 455, 475, $5, 520, 535, 555, 575, 595, 610, 630, 640, 685, 730, 780, 825, 885, 930, and then 955. And there is support, and there is resistance above 955, but we're not going to discuss that right now. Now, if this goes to the downside, next levels of support would be 290, 260, 235, 215, 195, 175, 150, 125. Let's zoom in here. $110, $1, 85 cents, can't see, $0.75, and then the low of 66 cents. So right now, with this current price, $3, the channels to the upside and the downside are pretty decently sized, so expect a good amount of price action either way this goes. However, if/when this breaks 640 to the upside, the channels start to open up and get real wide, so expect a significant increase in price action if/when this breaks 640. The RSI is currently at 78, so that is overbought and overvalued. So be careful, guys. And this did 347 million in volume today. Very significant volume. I think that's the highest in the past 3 years. No, but almost. So this pump/squeeze today was confirmed by the volume. Okay. So honestly, guys, it's pretty difficult to tell where this is going to go in the short term. Taking any position here, long or short, is more like a gamble than an investment right now. Either way you go is high risk, high reward. We're getting a lot of mixed signals here. High RSI and volume, and the gap up, those are bearish indicators. But we do have the possible cup and handles, which are bullish indicators. And also the strong social media sentiment, which is also bullish. So personally, I would hold off right now. I think that's the safer and smarter play to do. If you want to go long, I would hold off, see if this pulls back. Maybe you can get this for 108. That would be an excellent entry. And if not, then oh well. Just move on. And if you want to go short, you should wait for $4. And I think $4 would be an excellent entry going short. So I don't really like the idea of gambling here. But if you guys want to do that, I'm not opposed to that. Just understand that is very risky. So if you are willing to lose some money here, then sure, go for it. But like I said, I think the better play would be to hold off right now and observe the price action. If it comes down to 108, I would support going long. And if it goes up to 4, I would support going short. This really shouldn't go too much lower than 108 or above 4, in my opinion. Not financial advice. So, congratulations to everyone who made money in this stock today and in the past couple of weeks. And good luck to everyone currently in this stock and to everyone looking to take a position. This is PROG Progenity. Progenity. I'm learning you live rainbow trade. Do your thing, pimp. Get that money. Yeah, man, appreciate that. Definitely won't be the first rug pull on PROG. Remember I said in Discord I was going to nail down the rug so it can't be pulled just yet? I do remember that. Yeah, it did get rug pulled when it had the offering, and it came right back. Very strong. But yeah, again, I don't trust H.C. Wainwright at all. I would not be surprised if they rug pull this. At 4, I think I'm going to go short. If this does hit 4, we'll see. But yeah. I don't really listen to my own advice on the show here. I don't really go for the stocks I talk about, but this actually looks pretty good. At 4, I'd probably go for this. Catch up a little bit. Got to ride out real quick. Never mind. Well, I mean, if you got to go, you got to go, dude. Do what you got to do. But hey, if you want to stay, that's awesome too. Love having you here. All right. Last one, SOFI. Doing pretty good on time here today. Probably because it's kind of a slow day. Monday is usually slow. Not too many apes in here today. That's all right. We're making good time here. Might finish around 6:30. Who knows? So before we get into SOFI, let's refresh one more time. KAVL is going up. I guess we could check that one out. Uh-oh, ETXX back up to 380. So yeah, I'm break even right now. But 380 does appear to be like a pretty decent entry here. It does look like some pretty strong support, so I'm happy with 380. Although 4 would have been really, really nice, but hey, 380 is pretty good too. Okay. DRMA 522. And CKAVL. What's up with this? Nothing is up with this. Alright, don't go for this. Alright, back to SOFI. Alright, last one, guys. Let's do it. Okay, here is SOFI, SOFI Technologies. This finishes at $2.85 today. That is up 7.59%. What did I not use here? Did the rocket. Well, let's give it to JPAL. Right. So, this is a very popular meme stock, especially on Wall Street Bets. StockTwits too, but the Wall Street Bets apes, really like this stock. They've been talking about this one, pushing this one ever since it went public via SPAC not too long ago. So sometimes this trends, but most of the time it doesn't. But today this was number 10 on StockTwits, so we'll talk about it. And we did have some news on this today, so let's take a look at that first. It says, SOFI and Pagaya said Monday that they have entered into a partnership to enable digital personal finance company SOFI to broaden customers' access to its products. Pagaya said that its machine learning models are designed to reduce risk for lenders and inform credit decisioning. The company's partnership with SOFI is the largest deployment of its technology in the fintech space to date, it said. No financial details about the partnership were provided. Okay, so I don't even know what Papaya is, but what's important is they entered into a strategic partnership, and that is good PR. So I'm not sure how much that had to do with the run today, but it was probably a factor. Probably had something to do with it. So yeah, this stock is up almost 8% today. Very nice. But not much else to say. So let's jump right in and analyze here. What's up, Mitchell? Prog Bowler here. Yeah, a lot of Prog Bowlers here. Everyone in the community except for me, it sounds like. So, awesome, dude. Thanks for being here. Nice to see you again. Hope you had a great weekend, dude. And, yeah, awesome. Congratulations to you. Are you still holding, or are you diamond hands? But I'll give you some applause here. Papaya? No, Pagaya. Pagaya with a G. Pagaya. Pagaya. Did I say papaya? Pagaya. Papayas are good, though. I love papaya. Diamond hands. Alright, cool, dude. Power to you. All the other apes in here are still diamond hands as well. Low Roller and Team Crawford. So, good luck to you guys. All I'm saying is, don't diamond hands forever, you know. Hit the sell button pretty soon, as in, like, the next few days. You know, I would say within the week. I would say definitely at 4. If it hits 4, I'd get the hell out of there. But awesome, dude. It sounds like everyone got in at great entries. Everyone's up like 100% at least. So, very happy for all you guys. Kind of jealous that I didn't do it. But, yeah, very happy for everyone. So, congrats to everyone. And yeah, Mitchell, if you don't mind, could you hit the like button, please? Well, not just Mitchell. Everyone who's in here who didn't hit the like button, please do that. I would greatly appreciate that. Thank you very much. I'm not in it either. I'm just waiting it to run up, watching it. Why are you waiting it to run up, Marvin? Are you gonna short it down, or are you just entertained? All right, back to SoFi. All right, so let's jump in and analyze this here. Okay. So this does appear like this is a cup and handle in the making. Looks like the top of the cup is around 24, and the bottom appears to be 14. So that would currently be a bullish indicator, because that is telling us this stock could come back up to 24 to complete the top of this cup here. And just some quick math off the top of my head. If this is in fact a cup and handle, then after this hits 24, this should pull back to around 18? Yeah. This should pull back to around 18 to complete the handle. So it's currently bullish, but after it hits 24, it would become bearish. After it fills the top. Okay. So right now this is trading between the sideways channel, the rectangle of 125, and, excuse me, not 125. What am I saying? 2125 and 2050. So if this goes to the upside, next levels of resistance would be 2125, 2195, 2240, 23, 2385, 2430, 2510, 2605, and then the high of 2826. And if this goes to the downside, next levels of support would be 2050, 1975, what is that? My neighbor is making noise upstairs. Not bad. 1905, 1850, 1795, 1725, 1655, 1605, 1550, 1525, 1485, 1440, 14, 1315, 1255, 1195, 1135, $11, and then the low of 1045. So right now at this current price, 2085, the channels to the upside and the downside are pretty decently sized. So expect a good amount of price action either way this goes. However, if/when this breaks 2430 to the upside, the channels start to open up and get very wide. So expect a significant increase in price action if/when this breaks 2430. The RSI is currently at 74. So that is overbought and overvalued. So be careful, guys. And this did 48 million in volume today. Very significant volume. So this pump today was confirmed by the volume. I can't get on Discord. What am I doing wrong? I'm not sure, Mitchell. Is the link expired? I don't think it is. I think it's a permanent link. Not sure, dude. Let me post the link here. Let me post the link here. See if you can get in. Try that, Mitchell. Try that link. But I'm not really sure why you can't get in. But try that out. Oh, Monair's here. Nice. New member. Yeah, Monair got in. So it should be working, Mitchell. I don't know why it's not working. But yeah, we'll get that figured out. But definitely want you in the Discord, dude. Alright. So here we're getting mixed signals. We have bearish indicators in the cup and handle. Excuse me. We have bearish indicators in the RSI and volume, and a bullish indicator in the cup and handle. So honestly, it's a little bit difficult to tell where this is going to go in the short term. But if it were my best guess, I do think this is going to keep running up to 24, complete the cup here, complete the top of the cup here, and then pull back to form the handle. And then hopefully, eventually it'll break out from that. So I would say in the short term, I do believe it's going to keep running to the upside. So therefore, if you want to go long, not financial advice. 2085 is really not the greatest entry. I don't love that. But like I said, this should keep running to 24. So I would support going long at this current price. And if it pulls back, then you can just average down at the supports that I mentioned before. I will just say, if you do go long and this does hit 24, please sell at 24. I really think 24 is the top here, in the short term at least. Now, if you want to go short, not financial advice, I would not do that, and I would not recommend that at this current price. 2085 could be a good entry for going short, but I think it's smarter and safer to hold off and see if this hits 24. And if you can enter at 24 going short, that would be an excellent entry. And if it never hits 24, then oh well. Just move on. More opportunities out there in the market. But yeah, I would support going short at 24. Not at this current price. So congratulations to everyone who made money in this stock today and in the past week. Past couple of weeks, I guess. And in the past few weeks. And good luck to everyone currently in this stock and to everyone looking to take a position. This is SOFI. SOFI. Alright guys, so we're done with the analysis today. Kind of weird, because it's 6 o'clock, 6:02. We're doing decent time here, but I thought we did better time. I don't know why. I guess I've been talking a lot. Because we did 5 full analysis today. Analyses. But it really doesn't feel like I've been talking that much. So, interesting. But anyway, I'm glad you guys are still here. Glad you guys are still sticking around. Boring part is over. So, let's get into some Yolos now. The fun part. And, let's look at the aftermarket action before we get to the Yolos. I don't think that anything is too different here, though. Nope. ETXX still sitting at 380. The DRMA is coming back a little bit. Uh-oh. Damn, VLAN is at 40 now. What the hell? What's going on there? Hey, I hope that's a price offering tomorrow. That's all I'm saying. Yeah, stuff is going up in the aftermarket right now. Not good. Oh well. Alright, 1 second, guys. Let me pull up the Yolos here. This is kind of off topic. Just chatting while we load these Yolos. We should do a, just a suggestion. We should do a friendly community poker game. Online or something. I don't know. You know, nothing serious. Not any big money. But that'd be pretty fun. I've just been playing poker these past couple of weeks a lot. Got that itch to keep going. I really like poker. Alright. Almost done loading up here. I'm down. Yeah, I think a few people would be down. So maybe in the future we could do that. You know, nothing crazy. Maybe like, I don't know how you guys want to play. I'll play anything you guys want. I don't know, maybe like 10, 20 bucks or something. Alright, so this is finishing, while this finishes loading up, gonna take a drink and we'll get started. You don't want this smoking poker? I think I do, dude. I did pretty well this weekend. Won me a couple hundred. My friend won like 200. My friend won like 600. It was pretty nice. I think I do want that smoke though. So yeah, it sounds like a few of you guys would be down. That'd be pretty fun. That'd be pretty fun. Even though I'm a blackjack player. So are you like serious about blackjack, Mitchell? Do you play like perfect strategy and count cards and stuff, or do you just like, you know, do you just like play recreationally? That perfect strategy thing is pretty useful. The house doesn't have that much of an edge on you, like 0.1% if you use perfect strategy. Gotta drink more water here today, because my piss was like orange. TMI. Damn, we are degenerates. Yeah. Hell yeah. That's not a bad thing. We ain't broke. We're smart degenerates. So you never you never catch me broke. Not anymore. Never going back there. Alright, guys. Card Shark here. Cool, cool. Yeah, this sounds real fun. I'd love to play poker with you guys. I haven't played poker in years now, although a good group of my friends use to get together and play almost every weekend. Yeah, I mean, it is really fun, especially when you play with your friends. So, yeah, I mean, no pressure, guys. You know, we're not gonna play anything crazy. You know, maybe whatever you guys want to play, 10, 20 bucks. If you guys really want to go high, maybe 50, 100. I don't know. I think 10, 20 bucks would be good. I play strategy. All right. So yeah, technically not a degenerate. You know, it's like professional gambling. Professional gamblers. Well, I guess they can be degenerates, but you know, professional gamblers win. So yeah, I've never played to like. I never actually tried to win blackjack professionally, but it doesn't seem too hard. You just have to follow the perfect strategy and learn to count cards, which actually isn't that hard. Like, I thought you had to literally remember every single card in the deck. You just have to keep a running count of like +1, -1, and 0. Anyway, getting sidetracked here. I was at racetrack all weekend. Yeah, I was in the poker room all weekend. I'll race that Mustang you got. You probably smoked me, honestly. I got a baby V6 in there. It wasn't meant to actually perform. It was just meant to look good, you know. Wanted to save some money in college and you know, didn't want to spend an extra $5,000, or it was like 5 or 10 grand for a V8. I was like, oh hell no, I just want to look good. Want to get me some chicks here. So you probably smoked me, dude. And actually, Teslas are damn fast. I want to get a Tesla soon. Teslas are damn fast. Well, they accelerate fast. So, like, my friend has a Tesla. He gets smoked by Mustang. Anyway, let's get back to the show, guys. So today, we have really good YOLOs. We have a few fun ones. Some general YOLOs, some memes. Then we have Tesla, Clover, and Tilray. So, should be fun, guys. Let's do it. Alright, this one is by Very Slump. It's got a lot of upvotes here. Got a tag, Smokes Tendies. Anyway. Breaking. The ape statue has arrived in Wall Street. This is pretty cool. Look at this. See this? You got the famous bull statue. Here's the ape statue. This is legit. Look at this. Oh, they put bananas there too. They got mad bananas. This is genius. I wonder. This has to be temporary, right? This isn't permanent. It can't be permanent. This is probably just a joke. So I wonder how long this is gonna be here. I should probably go down there and take a picture or something. Me and my friends, me and my buddies go visit this ape statue. Who had this made? How much did it cost to make this ape statue? This thing looks expensive. 100 grand? Like, holy crap. Anyway, this is pretty awesome. So, yeah, I got to see how long it's going to be there for. But, you know, if you guys are visiting New York, it's pretty cool. Go visit the ape statue. I got a Volkswagen EOS. I don't even know what that is, really. Mitchell doesn't seem to like it. Hey, it's a good, efficient car, you know, everyday driver, not a fancy sports car. You don't even need a fancy sports car. I think they should keep it. Yeah, me too, but probably not. It's probably not going to happen. This is probably a temporary thing, but that'd be very funny. I would love it if they kept this, and the bananas too. 2021 Dodge Ram Rebel. So, pickup trucks. Yeah, you know, down south, you need those pickup trucks. Waiting for a Tesla truck. The Cybertruck. Yeah, that thing looks like a... I mean, that thing looks kind of ugly, to be honest, but kind of cool at the same time. It's, like, ugly futuristic. Kind of reminds me of, like, the Warthog from Halo. You know, the car you drive. Yeah, but yeah, Tesla Cybertruck, that looks pretty nice. I race cars for money, play poker and blackjack for money, play guitar for money, ride my Jeep for free, but cost a lot of money to hook up. Hey, Rich, hey, Mitchell, sounds like you have a really fun time. Like, It sounds like you're living life. Like you really enjoy life. You sound pretty happy, dude. I don't know. I can't say for sure, but it sounds like you got a lot of hobbies there. Do stuff that makes you happy. So that's awesome, dude. Give you some applause there. Race cars for money. Do you like illegally or legally? Like street racing or like, you know, at an event, like a legal event, like the track. I think you said you were at the track, so sounds legal, but hey, if it prints TENDIES, whatever, that's cool, dude. Little convertible sports car. I actually don't know what a Volkswagen EOS actually is, so let me look it up. Volkswagen EOS. That's pretty nice. Looks like a Jetta. I really can't tell the difference between this and like a Jetta or a Passat. They kind of look the same. That's pretty nice, dude. I just don't really like these German cars. They're like kind of hard to maintain. Pretty expensive to maintain, but that's a pretty nice car, dude. I remember last week we were like talking about cars and stuff, and then got kind of sidetracked. So yeah, back to the show. If you guys want to talk more cars, you know, we could keep the conversation going on Discord. Both, okay. I just hope, you know, stay safe, dude. Don't you know, don't when you wreck your car. Racing is an expensive sport, dude. I don't know how you can afford that without getting sponsored, but yeah, you know, stay safe, man. That's what matters. Your health, you know. Don't want you to get into a crash or anything. Just started learning to play the guitar. My pop's half cousin used to play in James Brown band, and my grandpa used to play as well. Oh, we're getting famous here, huh? Nice. So electric guitar or like acoustic? But that's awesome. Yeah, I want to learn how to play guitar too. I always wanted to learn how to play instruments. Never did, but yeah, guitar, piano. Want to learn that stuff. Drums, all that good stuff. Got a 9-second turbo Camaro. 9 seconds, that's pretty fast, dude. Nice. You watch that show, what's that show on Discovery in New Orleans? It's that street racing show. Well, damn, Outlaws, Street Outlaws. That guy Kai Kelly has a Camaro. 9 seconds, that's pretty fast, dude. But these electric cars are like, probably do half of that. These Teslas are damn fast now. The future of drag racing is gonna be in electric cars. I mean, the future of cars is electric, but electric cars are damn fast. We hate those when they come auction. We hate what when they come to the auction? Sounds like a car. One of the cars. Lol, Halo Warthog, good one. It does look like a Halo Warthog. I have both guitars. I play guitar and piano. Alright, so we have a lot of car enthusiasts here and music enthusiasts. So, awesome. You know, I'm glad we can kick it. Talk more, you know, talk more than just stocks on this show. You know, we're like getting pretty cool here. Pretty chill community. So we kick it, we chill, talk stocks, and we talk everything else in life. So, yeah, this is awesome. Nice chill show today. Very enjoyable. I like this. Alright, moving on. Oh, man, this got deleted. Oh, man, this was a good one. Well, yeah, it said want to end it all. I mean, I actually hope he doesn't, but I forgot how much the loss was here, but it was some stupid loss. It was a ridiculous loss. It was like 100K up to being down like 40K or something. So, damn, this sucks. I really wanted to show you guys. This was a good YOLO. Oh well, oh well. That sucks. Alright, moving on. Playing music seems to help with trading because of patterns. I can see some patterns different from some people. I wouldn't know about that. I'm not much of a musician. I'd like to learn. But I believe it. I believe it. You know, I always say poker helps a lot with trading. You know, I didn't like full-time trade, like day trade, until really after the C19 hit, and I couldn't play poker anymore, so I just went full-time day trading. And there's a lot of skills that carry over. You know, it's bankroll management, bet sizing, long-term, longevity, increasing your stakes. Like, there's a lot of similar, like, learning odds and stuff. Yeah, learning patterns. It's very similar. The skill set translates over very well. So, definitely, that helped a lot with my transition playing poker. And being a good trader makes you a better poker player as well. So, yeah, you know, different skills in life can help you in other areas, surprisingly. All right, this one is by SteelMax6. What? Here's a tag here. I can't believe I fit this whole thing. Cock, I mean. Whatever that means. Okay. He says, am I doing this right? Almost minus 40K at 22 after 2 years, putting parts of my paycheck and losing it all. Wow. Well, I will say, you know, at 22 years old, $40,000 is pretty impressive. There's not too many 22-year-olds who have that money, unless you got rich parents. At 22, did I have 40K? I might have. I think I did. But it's not typical. That's pretty impressive. And putting parts of your paycheck away like that those are good skills to have. Like, you know, long-term life skills. So that's actually a good thing. Now, it kind of seems like he also has some bad habits. Kind of seems like a gambling problem here. So, yeah, we see here down 38K all time. So, there's only one way you can do this. And that's either FD YOLOs or margin. I think it's FD YOLOs, because if it was on margin, he'd be in the red right now, like negative in the negative. So at least he's smart enough not to buy on margin. But yeah, looks like a lot of FD YOLOs. I really don't know. It says options down here, so I'm assuming it's options. It has to be. It has to be. So yeah, this is interesting. I mean, I feel really bad, but like I said, you know, that's pretty impressive. It sounds like he saves money really well, and then just chucks it. So my suggestion, maybe instead of, you know, YOLOing your whole bankroll, maybe you should just buy some ETFs, maybe like the Bitcoin ETF and some ARK ETFs and SPY, and, you know, if you just keep working and putting your money away and you just put it into SPY over the years, you can easily be a millionaire. I don't know why he YOLO'd all of it. That's just so stupid. He could have just kept doing what he was doing, put it in SPY, and he would have been a millionaire in like 10, 20 years. I don't know what he was doing here. Took a shot. But, you know, hey, at least you're still 22, still young, you know, 40K in the grand scheme of things. Not the worst thing in the world. I mean, I know it hurts, especially at 22. But, you know, I'm talking long term, over the span of your life, that's not too bad. So, you know, you can afford to take L's like this at 22. So, yeah, dude, anyway, so thanks for posting. Very unfortunate. Sorry about this, man, but you totally deserve this. This was your fault. Let's not lie here. But other than that, it seems like you have some really good skills here and some really bad habits. So, in the future, I would keep putting parts of your paycheck away. But put it in SPY, dude. Don't put it in YOLOs. And you should be a millionaire, easy. But thanks for posting, man. Great content. Sorry for your loss. And yeah, dude, hope hope to make your money back, and hope to see you back here on the forum. Seems like it gives you discipline. Yeah, it kind of does. You know when to fold. You know when to get out for sure. Know when to cash out. We talk stocks while we burn up the block. Hell yeah. That's crazy. He had 40K at 22. Yeah, like I said, either hard worker or rich parents. I was working on cars at 22, made over 30K, but that was in 2002. Yeah, adjusted for inflation, that'd probably be what, like 60K now or something. So that's good, dude. That's a lot. So yeah, Mitch, it sounds like you worked your way up in the car business, huh? It sounds like you were a mechanic, and then eventually went to owning your own business. Very nice, man. Seems like you do pretty well for yourself in life. Not in terms of like just finances, but seems like you're a pretty well-rounded dude, man. Could be a wealth transfer maybe from grandma. Yeah, that's what I was thinking. Either hard worker or inheritance, or both. He could have just bought a whole bit. Yeah, that too. Could have bought Bitcoin. That would have been nice. All right, let's move on here. This one is by BoomVan666. They say account approval for options. 1 week results. Find me behind Wendy's. All right. So we see here, it looks like he funded his account with 20K or 21K. Got approved for options, and 1 week later, he's like at 9K, I want to say. Below 10K. So he lost over 10K here in 1 week after he got approved for options. All right. Oh, and the Wendy's too. He gets the Wendy's, right. Find you behind the dumpster. Okay. So, I mean, there's nothing much to say here. So he loaded 21K in his account, never did options before, and was like, F it, let's go. What do you think was going to happen? You thought you were just going to moon? I mean, it happens on Wall Street bets, but... yeah, this is pretty typical. Brand new apes to options. Think they're going to hit it big and go. Okay, so I wonder if these positions are still open or what, or they expired, or they closed them, or what, but, yeah, dude. Well, first of all, thanks for posting. This is great content here. Sorry for your loss. Now, I think you should stay away from the options for a little bit, dude. Maybe, watch some videos, or maybe buy one at a time for practice before you go back. Because it really seems like you don't know what you're doing. And it shows. So, yeah, you just tried to take down a beast. A whole beast on its own. Didn't work. But, I'm glad he has a sense of humor. I'm sure this hurt a lot. But, yeah, options are no joke, guys. Especially FDs. Options are no joke. It is not easy to make money with options. You have to know what you're doing. Perfect example here. I don't know why people think they can just jump straight in and they're going to make tendies like that. No, you're going to lose all your money. Great example here. So, BoomVan666, thanks for posting. Sorry for your loss. Yeah, dude, bad decision. Bad decision here. I'm all for trading options, but don't YOLO your whole bankroll, especially when you don't know what the hell you're doing. So, suggestion, chill with the options for now. Study up on some educational material. Come back, practice with money you can afford to lose. Maybe a couple $100. And, yeah, come back when you're ready, because you were not ready for this. And, sucks, but this was totally deserved, dude. This is totally your fault. So, yeah, thanks for posting. Sorry for your loss. Hope you make your money back. Good luck to you. And, yeah, hope to see you back here on the forum in the future. That's why opinions are great for a few and bad for most. I think you mean options. Yeah. No, it's great if you know how to hit the sell button. Nobody knows how to hit the sell button. Everyone knows it's just ape diamond hands. Like, no, you have to hit the sell button. When you're up, hit the sell button. Yeah, just worked hard, came from the hood, never wanted to be broke again. I made the most ever in the last 2 years during this pandemic. All right, awesome, dude. I did not know you came from the hood. So, I'm glad you had the drive and the work ethic to get out of there, dude. Very happy for you. That's awesome, man. And yeah, being broke sucks. I mean, I was never like broke. Like, I always had a roof over my heads, and my parents aren't like poor, but I didn't have much money when I was younger. So, yeah, that sucked. So, like being actually broke, that I'm sure that really, really sucks. So, very happy for you, dude. And I'm glad, recently you've done the best you've ever done in your life. Very happy for you, man. Glad to hear that. All right, this one is by Luminlin. They say betting Tesla over the weekend. The hood is even worse if you live in third world country. Oh, hell yeah. Yeah, there's a difference between first world poor and third world poor, like first world poor is pretty damn rich compared to third world poor. Like, at least you have government programs here. You have access to water and, public services, police, military, you're protected here. You got bathrooms, public bathrooms, there's food pantries and stuff. So, yeah, big difference between first world poor and third world poor. Third world poor, you're on your own. The government's not helping you. People kidnapping people, robbing, killing, everything. It's crazy out there. So, yeah, everyone be grateful. Be very grateful. Even if you didn't, even if you think you don't have the best life, like, just living here is a privilege. So, yeah, good point, Low Roller. Yeah, it's so bad people gotta, try to run and get in here illegally. It's crazy. It's crazy. Maybe not broke, but I always wanted nice stuff and could never afford it. Yeah. And then when you can't afford it, you're like, hey, it ain't that great, right? I mean, it's kind of cool, but it ain't that great. You don't really need it. But, yeah, glad you're doing well for yourself, Mitchell. Learned a lot about you today. Didn't know all this stuff, so awesome, man. All right, back to this. All right, here, so we have 200 calls for Tesla, expiring October 22nd, this Friday. 4 days to go. This was a this was approximately a $90,000 YOLO, 90K YOLO. And right now he's up $143,000, up 155%. All right. So I think this was an FD. I'm not exactly sure, but he says betting Tesla over the weekend. So it looks like an FD. So as for the play itself, and the strike is 880, by the way, 880. So let's take a look at Tesla. 870. Okay. So this is $10 out of the money, and he's up 155%. That is insane. I don't know why. This is the way options work. There's a lot of different factors. Theta, gamma, delta, IV, all these different factors that make up the price of the option. But yeah, dude. As for the play itself, I really don't like this. I mean, it's okay, but strike price is a little bit ambitious. Expiration is very close. And this was timed very well. I give him that. But this is a super FD, and he's just getting really lucky right now. Let's be honest. So yeah, I got 4 days to go, and you need $10, which, you know, is definitely possible. But I wouldn't really... I'd be pretty scared right now. Possible, but yeah, if it were me, I'd just cut it right here. I'd cut everything right here. I mean, this does look like a gap. There's a little gap here, so yeah, it's coming back to 840 for sure. Yeah, I think this is pretty obvious. This is a sell. This is a straight up dump everything. You know, super risky FD. Got lucky, up 155%. $10 out of the money, 4 days to go. Come on, dude. This is a no-brainer. Hit the sell button. Hit the sell button. Because if you don't, good chances it's going to go to 0. So, Lumenlin, thanks for posting. Great content here. This is crazy stuff. Crazy Wall Street bets action here. I love it, but this is, oh my god, what are you doing, dude? This is crazy. But yeah, you know, bad strike, bad expiration, good timing, but overall this is a pretty bad play. You just got really, really lucky. Let's not kid ourselves here. And yeah, right now you're up 155%. 4 days to go, $10 out of the money. So at this point, there's really only one play, and that is to dump everything. You know, you got really lucky. Secure the gains. Don't give it all back. You know, walk away here a big winner. Nothing much else to say. So congrats to you, man. Fat Tendies, not over yet, but it's looking pretty good. As long as you hit the sell button. Hit the sell button right now, dude. Please hit the sell button. And yeah, great content. And if you don't hit the sell button, post updates. But please hit the sell button, dude. Really hope you do that. So yeah, thanks for posting. Congrats so far. Good luck to you. And yeah, post updates. Even if you ask money in the street, you can make $20 an hour. Probably, yeah, dude. You can make like $100 a day. There's so many beggars, especially in New York City. I hate them. Like, yeah, that sounds terrible, but seriously, they're man annoying. Like, every 5 minutes, someone's walking up to you. They're getting bold too. It used to be change. Now it's $5. Used to be, can I get some change? Spare some change. Now it's, excuse me, can I get $5? Like, no. How about $1? No. Like, it is crazy out here. And then they go right in the liquor store and get drunk. Not everyone, but that's typically what happens here in New York City. That's what the Squid Games was about. Yeah, I didn't see Squid Game yet. We kind of talked about it last week. I kind of know what happens in Squid Game. I did see the spoilers, but I did not actually watch it. I might watch season 2 though. Hit the sell button ready? Yep, damn right, hit the sell button. I found this YOLO on Tesla. Sure, low roller. We got 2 more, then we can get to that. Thought you left, low roller, but glad you came back. Or maybe you just wasn't chatting the whole show. Anyway, moving on. This one is by Ill Expression 1737. They say, any day now. Clove. Lol. Alright, so here we have 103 calls for Clover at the $9 strike expiring December 17th. So 2 months out. About 2 months out. So this was a 24K YOLO, $24,000 YOLO. And right now he's down 15K, down 63%. I give the homeless 1 cent, better than $0. I guess it's better than nothing. I'll give food, you know, but I don't like giving money. I don't like giving money. No, because, like, most of the time they just buy alcohol and drugs. It's really sad. Okay, so let's take a look at Clover. $8. All right, Clover's at $8, and you need $9 in 2 months. So honestly, this actually has a pretty decent chance of working. And this loss here, I don't know. This is kind of a lot. I don't know why it's down so much. Got 2 months to go. Like, not that out of the money. That's about what? Like, a little over 10%. And he's down 63%. I don't know why he lost so much money here, but yeah, I guess at this moment, this is a very tough spot. I think this is one you should hold. You got 2 months left. That's a good amount of time. $9 is definitely possible. And, you know, cutting here would be really, really tough. Losing 63%. While there is a good amount of time left, and it's this close to in the money. So a really tough spot here, but I do think the better play is probably to hold, and you have to reevaluate every week. Unfortunate, but that's probably the best play here. But yeah, guys, if you don't want to get stuck in tough situations like this, don't do it in the first place. Don't make crazy plays like this. What do you do now? Do you let it ride and risk everything, or do you cut for 63% loss? Tough spot. So, ill expression 1737. Thanks for posting. Sorry for your loss so far. But honestly, dude, this isn't such a bad play. It's a decent strike and decent expiration, and not too sure about the timing, but you know, this is a pretty good play. This is pretty decent. I mean, it's not the best, but I can support this. And yeah, you're just in a tough spot right now. I really don't think you should be down 63%. That's a bit much. So I'm not sure how these options are priced, but that's a lot, dude. Yeah, and at this point, tough spot, but I do think the better play is to hold. You know, you got 2 months left. That's a lot of time. Good chance this works out. So, yeah, I think the play is to hold and reevaluate every week. So, hope this gets better for you, man. So, yeah, thanks for posting. Sorry for your loss so far. Good luck to you. And please post updates. Give Bitcoin to homeless. That's a good idea. I mean, I'd never do that. I want it for myself, but that's not a bad idea. I just don't really think homeless people have phones. Some of them do. I'd never do that. I give them food, but I've never actually seen a homeless person, take crypto. That'd be something. Give them a sandwich out of the Wendy's dumpster. Just kidding. They'd probably take it. Kind of a funny story. Kind of like funny and not at the same time. But the other day I did see a homeless dude go in the trash, and he took out like half a sandwich, and he was like so happy. He's like, "Oh my god, yes, yes!" And he was like celebrating, and it was like kind of sad, but it was hilarious at the same time. I was happy for the guy. Do you see any homeless using QR code or begging for Bitcoin donation in New York? No, I've never seen that, but I have seen sex workers starting to use crypto, accepting payments in crypto. I've never paid a sex worker in crypto, but I do see that now. I do see that. So the future is here. All right, last one. Well, second to last, I guess. This one is by Hot Professional 2880. They say, a true YOLO that fits Wall Street bets. I'll be raising Tilray stocks earnings these next 2 weeks. Okay. So here we have not actually sure how many contracts there are here, but we do have some calls here for Tilray 13 strike expiring October 22nd, so this Friday, FD there, 4 days. And then we have another play here, $13 strike expiring October 29th, so 1 week out. But both of these are FDs right now. And the October 22nd one is down 96% right now, down 2,800. So that kind of looks like a 3K YOLO approximately. And then we have the big bet down here, the FDs for next week. Right now he's down over 16K there, 93.54%. So, yeah, I don't know what the cost basis was, but I think it's probably 23K. Anyway, overall, down 19K, down 94% in total. Disgusting. So let's take a look at Tilray. Tilray is at 10. All right, so yeah, you need 30% in 4 days and 11 days. Not happening. Not happening, dude. Yeah, this is over. So, yeah, this one's pretty obvious. It's not impossible, but very, very improbable. So at this point, I think you have some money left here, a couple $1,000, probably like close to $4,000, just a guesstimate. So there's only one play here, and that is to cut, and still got a couple $1,000. Just take it and walk away. Cut the losses, walk away. Because if you don't, you're gonna lose another 4K. Absolutely no reason for that. Now for the play itself, really not that great. Bad expiration, bad strike, and I'm not sure about the timing, but that also seems bad. So all around, really, really bad play here. Not good, and that's why they're gonna expire worthless. So, Hot Professional 2880, thanks for posting. Sorry for your loss. Not over yet, but pretty much over. And yeah, all around, bad play, dude. Let's not kid ourselves. All around, really bad play here. Bad strike, bad expirations, bad timing. So I'm really not surprised. But yeah, dude, at this point, you have a couple $1,000 left here in value. Not gonna expire in the money. You're not gonna finish in the money here, so there's only one play, and that's the cut. Very unfortunate, but if you don't, you're gonna be out 100%. So better to be out 94% than 100%. So thanks for posting. Sorry for your loss. Good luck to you. Hope you sell them. That's what I would do. And yeah, please post updates. All right, one more. Let this finish loading here. Okay. All right, this one is by PGR Dub. It says YOLO Tesla Gang. So we got a lot of Tesla leaps here. A lot of Tesla leaps. All for 2022 and 2023. Oh, we have one call here. Tesla 1000. That expires this Friday. I don't know why he would make Tesla 1000 call. But he's actually up 155% on that. So definitely hope he hits the sell button on that. Tesla is not going to 1000 by this Friday. Sell that dude. Everything else, pretty good, pretty good. Maybe a little bit ambitious. You know, we got 1,400, 1,200, 1,700 strikes here. Maybe a little bit ambitious, but doesn't mean it has to hit that as long as you sell before expiration. That's why I'm very concerned about this Tesla 1000, but he needs to sell that. Anyway, so on all the plays, he's up right now. So this guy seems to know what he's doing, and he's printing right now. So very happy. So yeah, these are all leaps for the most part. These should work out as long as he hits the sell button. So yeah, thanks for that, low roller. Nice YOLO here, and this was posted recently. All right, guys, that is the show for today. Let's double check the aftermarket action here before we go. And yeah, nothing has changed. All right, guys, that's the show for today. So yeah, it's 6:49. We almost went the full 3 hours. Kind of surprised, you know. I didn't think today would be a 3 hour show. I thought it'd be a 2.5 hour show. You know, this was it started slow. The show started slow. You know, usually Mondays are pretty slow, but it seems like a lot of people came in here later on. And, you know, we were chatting a lot today. A lot of interaction, a lot of chat. So, yeah, good show. You know, had some great content to go over. A lot of people in here chatting, chilling, being friendly. A lot of interaction today. So, yeah, overall, really good show today. Very happy today. Much better than last Friday. And no sirens today. Only like 1 or 2 sirens. So, overall, very nice show. So, thank you guys for attending today, and staying till the very end. Hope you guys enjoyed. I had a good time. Hope you guys enjoyed as well. The show is the show. Yeah, Marvin, you keep saying that, but I don't know, dude. I'm kind of OCD. Like, I really care about this stuff. You know, I want to put out some top quality content. So, you know, whenever I feel like I underperform, I'm very hard on myself. I'm my biggest critic, you know. So I feel like I let myself down and I let you guys down. So I'm always trying to be the best, you know. Make the best content for you guys, and always want you guys to, you know, enjoy. Anyway. So, anything else before we get out of here? Questions, comments, concerns? Let me take a look at how my trades are doing here. Yeah, DRMA is down to 514. I'm up 500 on that right now. Very nice. ETTX down to 376, so I'm up a little bit. EVOL, that's down. Yeah, overall, I'm doing pretty good in the post market here. Very happy. All right, let's get out of here. Thanks everyone for watching today. I appreciate you guys. Please like the video. Please subscribe and catch me every weekday after market close on the Smarter Gambling Show. You apes already know, diamond hands to the moon. And basketball season starts in 2 days. Let's go. Happy for that. Excited for that. I'm Ty. This is Smarter Gambling. See you guys tomorrow. Peace out.